How to spot and stay safe from scams on WhatsApp. Scams can happen to anyone, even on popular platforms like WhatsApp with its 2 billion users worldwide. The platform has become an easy target for fraudsters as they refine their tactics, making it easier for them to deceive users. To avoid such scams and improve user security, the Meta-owned platform has cautioned its users to follow safety measures and tips to protect themselves from malicious activities and suspicious messages aimed at scamming them. Here are some common signs of WhatsApp scams. WhatsApp scammers usually create a sense of urgency when contacting a user and even pressurize them to pay quickly. If someone asks you to tap on a link, activate a new feature through a link, or download an app, if they ask you to share your personal information like credit card or bank account numbers, birth date, or account passwords, scammers contact from a different number and ask to forward a message to other users. Similarly, there are typos or grammatical mistakes in their sentences indicating that it's a scam. WhatsApp emphasized that as such scams can happen to anyone, taking safety measures is key to ensuring that one doesn't fall prey. Here's how you can avoid WhatsApp scams. When you receive messages from someone not in your contacts, the platform will show you a notification in the message that you can use to determine how to respond. These signals will let you know if the person contacting you is already in your contact list, has groups in common, or if their phone number is registered in a different country. However, if you find a message suspicious, try not to respond, tap, or forward, or just block and report the sender. Lastly, update your WhatsApp privacy settings to choose who can contact you in the future.